Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make Alight motion not lag. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Alight motion application. And by the way, one of the reasons we're experiencing this issue is that your device cannot support any high resolution. Okay, so to fix that, just go ahead and click on the plus sign. So before you create a new project, just go ahead and change the resolution to 360p, and the frame rate, just go ahead and choose the 60 fps. Okay, so if you are worried about the quality, don't worry because we can fix that. So if you want to know how to fix it, just go ahead and comment on the comment section so that I can create a new tutorial about that. Okay, so once you've changed your settings, just go ahead and start creating your new project. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.